In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a smooth sliding text animation in Hitfilm Express. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your project. Then you need to go over here to the left-hand corner and click on this A button up here. From here, you can click on the screen and make a text message. You can just click hello. Then from here, you need to go down here to your library and need to click on this until you see the effects tab up here. Then from here, this page should be popping up. Go up here and click in the slide effect and drag it inside of your text message like here. And you can also do it at the end of the clip like so. And I can quickly show you how it's going to look like right now. And to make it a little bit better, you simply need to slide it out like so. You can also change the motion blur if you want to do that in controls. You can change it here. You can change it to 100, like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!